Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. In science and technology, let us discuss about elements of information technology. Basically, we talk about the core concept of information technology. There are different subject matters, those are being studied in the topic of information technology, such as computer technology, that is electronics and IT industries, etc. Areas mainly covered by information technology is the electronics and electronic technology. Let us now discuss each area in brief. The purpose of using the term electronics is to enumerate all those devices that we use in our everyday life, such as watches, TVs, stereo systems, and many more as shown in the following subjects. Further, the electronic devices are used in the design, manufacture, sale, and repair of all faulty products. Because of the advancement in the field of technology, these days it is possible to develop very small devices such as small computer, small stereo systems, etc. The branch of electronics that does research on the miniaturization of electronic devices is known as microelectronics. Following are some of the significant electronic devices that plays a major role in different electronics products such as semiconductor devices, electron tubes, analog devices, digital devices. Now, we'll discuss further about the elements of information technology. The merging of computer and communication is called information technology. That means the merging by using computer system and the communication is called information technology. IT is the technology that merges computing with high-speed communication links data, sound, image, graph, and video. Computer and communication are the parents of the information technological age. It manages a network of computers, creating web pages, producing video, selling, buying, and perform any type of business business activity on the internet. For example, telephone, radio equipment, and watches used for voice communication, managing video conferencing, etc. Though through internet, you can communicate with any computer user having an internet connection anywhere in the world. You can exchange message with him. You can talk to him through computer or phone. You can have online conversation with him through the typing from keyboard. A computer and communication system is made up of software. There are 5 elements of computers. Main elements are, first of all, people who are using people, procedure, data, hardware, and software. These are main element concept here. Some elements of information technology, IT include, these are the things further, the elements, hardware, the physical components of IT infrastructure such as PCs and servers are main hardware in IT. Database, an integral part of IT infrastructure, and the available of database serves is critical for businesses. Software includes audio, visual, middleware, and storage that helps users store, transmit access, and understand information. These are some important softwares. Cloud computing. What does it mean? A tool that allows users to upload, share, and store photos and videos. These are clouding computing system. Computer network. What does it mean? A system of computers connected by cables to share data and communicate with one another. This is networking. Cybersecurity involves identifying potential vulnerabilities and instituting strategies to minimize the effect of possible threats. Data. Data serves as the warehouse of information and is collected from the various sources like websites, mobile apps, and IoT sensors. Internet, an important ICT platform for work and life, originated in the United States in 1969. From that internet started. Other elements of IT includes information security, database and network management, computer technical supports, and business software development. Now, some elements of electronic technology that are relevant to IT includes. That means some electronic components, electronic and technology which are used in IT includes digital electronics, a branch of electronics that deals with digital information, storing, generating, and processing data in positive and negative states. Integrated circuits, IC circuit, a microelectronic devices made up of several components that are linked together. It can perform many functions and is typically made from a semiconductor wafer. Power electronics, a technology domain that is essential for many aspects of modern life, including e-mobility, communication, renewable energy, medical, aerospace, and industrial productions. Some electronic component, essential elements that are embedded in all electrical and electronics devices. Electronic devices, the items that operate by controlling the flow of electrons or other electrically charged particles in circuit. Electronic packaging. The use of advanced materials and packaging and printing technologies for fabrication. Embedded system. The type of computer system that is usually part of a larger system, device, or a piece of electronic equipment. These are called embedded system. Now, the Golden Eye. The Golden Eye platform consists of multiple mobile wireless wearable headset computer operated by voice commands and head movements. This is used in Golden Eye. Now, DNA robot. Over the past decade, DNA nanotechnology has spawned a broad variety of functional nanostructures tailored towards the enabled state at which applications are coming increasingly in view. One of the branches of this application is in synthetic biology, where the intrinsic programmability of the DNA nanostructures may pave the way for smart task-specific molecular robotics. E-writer, an electronic writing instrument introduced in 2010 by the Improved Electronics Division of Kent Displays. Using the accompanying stylus and resembling a handled memo pad, the battery-operated devices use a type of LCD writing surface that retains its image without power. Fiber optics, these important things. A fiber optics, also known as optical fiber, is a technology that uses light pulses to transmit data over long distances using glass or plastic strands. Fiber optics cables are made up of many glass fibers surrounded by a layer of cladding, buffer tubes, and jacket for protection. Fiber optics is used in many applications including internet. Fiber optic broadband is used for fiber optics instruments services like Verizon Fios and Google Fiber. In telecommunication, fiber optics is used to telecommunication service like television and telephones. Data networking. Fiber optics is used for high performance data networking. Fiber optics is a preferred choice over copper cables because it offers higher bandwidth and faster transmission speeds. It also has the following advantages. Minimal the loss. Fiber optics allows for high speed data transmission over long distances with minimal loss. Less affected by electromagnetic interference. Fiber optics is less affected by electromagnetic interference. Here is how fiber optics works. Light is introduced into the fiber at the correct angle. The light travels through the core of the fiber and stays contained until it emerges from the other end. The refractive index of a medium determines how fast light travels through it. The larger the refractive index, the slower of the light travels. Next one, Integrated Service Digital Network. What is that one? ISDN is a set of communication standards that simultaneously transmits voice, video, data, and other network services in digital form over the traditional circuit of the public switched telephone network. Here, the computer is a programmable electronic devices that manipulates the and messages different sort of data and information. What is Blue Gen computer? It is one of the fastest supercomputers developed by IBM Corporation. That's called Blue Gen computer. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is a technique of using network of remote servers hosted on the internet with the purpose of store, manage, and process data. The technique keeps data safe and makes your data available anytime and anywhere. In other words, you don't need to carry your computer devices to carry data. You access your data on any computer with internet facility. So far, we discussed about broadly about elements of IT, that means information technology. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.